We live here. Our sun is approximately one of 200 billion star and star systems in the Milky Way galaxy. All across Earth, people have always been interested in the universe and found ways to represent their sky knowledge in their culture. African astronomy generally refers to the astronomical beliefs, artifacts, and practices of indigenous African peoples. The sky map was created during the reign of Queen Pharaoh Hatshepsut of the 18th Egyptian dynasty, circa 1500 BCE. In ancient Kemet, what is called Egypt today, Egyptologist scholars claim to have discovered what is thought to be the world's first map of the sky. The sky map, now referred to as the Egyptian celestial diagram, was found in the Queen's monumental Dejuri temple located near the Nile River. After the antiquities, African societies continued to relish in their appreciation of the universe and developed their own cosmology. The Dogon had a high reverence for the sky and spoke firmly of their interplanetary knowledge of cosmic bodies such as the satellites of Jupiter and the rings of Saturn. As Sirius A and B's orbital revolution is complete, the Dogon tribes of West Africa's Mali, formerly known as Sudan, are known to have charted the skies with astonishing accuracy. The Dogon currently reside on the western banks of the Bandiagara Cliffs. Some scholars suggest that the tribesmen have possibly lived there since the Dogon fled from the headwaters of the Niger River between the 10th and 13th centuries. The Sigwe ceremony is a way in which the Dogons express their appreciation of the cosmos. The Dogon embark on this elaborate ceremony. The Sigwe ceremony calls for peacetime upon the sub-tribes of the Dogon, and it is encouraged that all the members of the tribe would be renewed and strengthened by the songs and dances which occurred during this intricate Dogon festival honoring the universe and their ancestors. During 1400 CE through 1800 CE, many African societies and cultures were uprooted from their homeland during the African diaspora, including the tribesmen of the Dogon. It is also during this period that the European Renaissance sparked a new interest in astronomy, and the world moved from what some social scientists call the scientific renaissance to the scientific revolution. The silent watchers of the sky express their cultures in various ways and use music as a medium which resembled, in many crucial ways, the cosmology they had brought with them from Africa. It is said that the song "Follow the Drinking Gourd" led the slaves along the riverbanks and gave details of how to meet up with abolitionists, and possibly even led some slaves to freedom. This song gives us acumen into the richness of astronomy within the formative days of the African American culture. The first known African American astronomer, Benjamin Banneker, is said to have indirectly inherited his love for astronomy from his grandfather, Banika, an alleged Dogon prince. The landowner was a surveyor, publisher, patriot, and abolitionist, but it was his published astronomy almanacs of 1791 through 1796 which earned him respect as a premier astronomer. Today, many advances have been made in the discoveries of the universe since the days of the antiquities. According to NASA, they have had a proud tradition of talented African American workers, which dates back to the late 1920s. As of 2008, NASA has been under the leadership of Honorable Charles F. Bolden Jr., the administration's first African American incumbent. Since 1967, NASA has hired approximately 16 African American astronauts, of which 6 have spacewalked in Earth's lower orbit. Global efforts have pushed humans beyond that of our ancestors, and as a result, many space museums, astronomy publications, and organizations such as NASA have opened its doors for all who wish to explore the depths of space. Astronaut Leland D. Melvin is now NASA's Associate Administrator for the Office of Education. And then there's astrophysicist Neil deGrasse Tyson, the director of the Hayden Planetarium in New York. Global projects such as the African Cultural Astronomy Project, with the help of Professor Jarita Holbrook, is set to unearth the body of traditional knowledge of astronomy and use it to create awareness and interest in modern astronomy. The Great Moon Buggy Race, run by Chicago, Illinois volunteer NASA ambassador, teaches her students through the use of hands-on projects and competition so they can learn about the opportunities to them in STEM careers. As we enhance our knowledge of the universe, we must accept that we are all together as one on Earth's enduring journey of our universe.